This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 6, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.53 points or 0.13% to 410.14. Total trade volume was up with 48,372 shares changing hands at a total value of over 261.3 million real or approximately $64,900. On the main board, two stocks were up. MJQ Education led the market, up 0.48% or 10 real to 2,080 real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up 0.46% or 10 real to 2,170 real per share. On the downside, six stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Pestec Cambodia, dropping 0.83% or 20 real to 2,400 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which was down 0.79% or 40 real to 5,040 real per share. Other stocks down were the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, and Akleda Bank. Meanwhile, Chem GSM remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land dropped 1.75% or 60 real to 3,360 real per share, while DBD Engineering remained flat. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 15,911 shares changing hands at a total value of 117 million real or roughly $29,000, which is 33% of total shares traded on January 6th. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 10,261 shares changing hands at a total value of 64 million real or $16,000, approximately 21% of Monday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,033 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 108.50. Looking at global commodities, oil prices dipped on Monday amid a strong US dollar ahead of key economic data by the US Federal Reserve and US payrolls later in the week. Brent crude futures slid 28 cents or 0.4% to 76.23 US dollars a barrel after settling on Friday at its highest since October 14th. Gold prices remained steady as investors awaited key U.S. economic data, including the December non-farm payrolls report. Spot gold was flat at $2,635.39 US dollars per ounce, while U.S. gold futures dipped 0.2% to $2,646.80 US dollars per ounce. U.S. equity futures were little changed Monday morning as investors looked forward to jobs data in another shortened trading week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were flat, S&P 500 futures added 0.16%, and NASDAQ 100 futures rose 0.24%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 6th.